What's up guys, welcome back to another video. And today as I was walking around in my home, I saw this white thing. I don't know exactly what it is, but I think it's a fiberglass rod. So I thought to myself that I want to make something cool out of it. And I mean something really cool, like a bouncing shield, a bouncing Captain America shield, or a bouncing frisbee, whatever you might call it. So I'm gonna take the fiberglass rod and take it to the DIY mat and see what we can make out of it. Yep, and as you guys can see, that's the fiberglass rod right there, and it's a little stiff, so I'm just gonna take the scissor and try to slice it in half in order to get rid of that. Yep, as you guys can see, that's already been taken care of, and I've already sliced it in half. And the next thing is to try to create this circular bend on it, to try to mimic the look of the shield. Yeah, so I'm just gonna hold it in place and strap some electric tape on it, and boom, as you guys can see, that's the tape right there. Yep, and as you guys can see, it's not like a complete circle, a perfect circle, but it should be good for this project because it's just a prototype, so it doesn't really matter that much. So I'm just gonna take this plastic bag and try to give it that shape, that shieldy shape. From now on, it's more like a frisbee, but it's gonna be so cool after you see the end results. I'm just gonna take this electric tape and stick it around it in order to hold the plastic bag, and boom, as you guys can see, we got ourselves a bouncing frisbee. It's pretty awesome, and we're just gonna go ahead and test it out and see how the bouncing works. Yep, so that's the wall right there, and I'm just gonna throw it and see how it bounces from there and there and see how the bouncing really works. Wow, as you guys can see, that's not pretty bad for a first try. Yep, and as you guys can see, it bounces really well and it's pretty fun, like it's more like a frisbee for the lonely. Like if you're lonely, only you can use it and be throwing on the fence and it will be bouncing back to you and stuff like that. It's pretty fun, and it's just a prototype, but it's pretty cool. So subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.